नमस्ते बिटिया, खुश रहो बिटिया। I JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic quality audit. Quality audit topic belongs to the quality assurance for the B Pharm 6th semester students. Now we come to the quality audit. What is quality audit? Uh, Quality audit is defined as a systematic and independent examination to determine whether quality activities and related results comply with planned arrangements and whether these arrangements are implemented effectively and are suitable to achieve objectives. So now we come to the first of all we discuss about the types of quality audit. The quality audit system mainly classified in following different categories. First one is internal audit and external audit. This is the main type of quality audit: internal audit and external audit. Second party audit, third party audit, process audit, product audit, and system audit. What is internal audit? Ensure that an organization is meeting its own quality standards or contractually required standards called first party audit, done by auditors who work for the company. They may also be hired by the company to audit its own functions. Auditors must be independent of the function they are auditing. This type audit by company employees, consultants, and contractors. Now we come to the next point, purpose of internal audit. What is the purpose of internal audit? To ensure that adequate quality systems are maintained. To assess compliance with the CGMP. What is CGMP? Current Good Manufacturing Practices and firm's standard operating procedure. To achieve consistency between manufacturing and testing facility. To identify problem internally and correct problem prior to a FDA inspection. Now we come to the second point, second type of the quality audit, external audit. What is external audit? External auditors are separate from the company. External auditors are separate from the company. They may be hired by a suppliers or customer to ensure that the audited company meets their quality standards. They may be audited by the government to verify that they meet military specifications. External audit can be done by quality consultant specialization in the quality standards for those organizations. Purpose of external audit: confidence in the partnership arrangement, ensuring that requirements are understood, reducing the risk of failure. Carried out by company on its vendors. No legal requirements to conduct the audit. External audit have experience of good manufacturing practices as well as regularly audited by their certification body. Second party, external audit done by a company that has a contract with the audited firm is called a second party audit. Now we come to the third party audit. External quality audits done by an organization that no contract with the company it is auditing is called a third party audit. Process audits. A process audit verifies that a documented process meet quality standard. This process could be a manufacturing process or service process. Products audit. A product quality audit verifies that a physical product meet design specification and other quality measurement. System audit, it is a review of how quality standards are measured and met by company. It verifies the procedure used to measure the quality of the product, how defects are recorded, and how the company ensure that failed product is not passed. GMP compliance audit. GMP compliance audit is an audit or inspection conducted by someone external to your organization with the purpose of discovering GMP deficiency. A GMP compliance audit will allow you to avoid delays in bringing product to market due to not passing a GMP audit. GMP compliance audit will allow you to gain greater knowledge of the quality issues affecting your organization. Develop increased awareness of regulatory expectations, recognize commonly seen GMP specification, and learn how to reduce them in your organization. Under the inspection process and how you can prepare for it, identify quality critical areas in your own organization. Example, technical agreement and training, record keeping, and delegation. Audit process. This is the flow chart of the audit process. Provide resource, review result, and use result. Management, internal audit, output, firstly input, then internal audit, then output, and what is the response of the audit process. Prepare for the audit and perform the audit and report the result and perform corrective action. Prepare detailed plan of each audit, execute each audit and report audit result including conclusion and recommendation. Corrective action if needed, follow up to ensure corrective action are effective. Auditing strategies. Audits related to the organizational strategy can be divided into two distinct categories: strategic risk audits and strategy process audit. Strategic risk audit focus on risks that are the result of pursuing certain strategically important organizational goals. A strategy process audit is an assessment of the strategic management process or even of the content of the formulated strategy. Audit analysis is very important for the quality assurance and quality control unit and good manufacturing practices. Preparation of the audit should start from the beginning of the study, ensure that we have the documents to prove that study has conducted properly. फर्स्टली जब ऑडिट के लिए कोई भी टीम हो, एक्सटर्नल हो या इंटरनल हो, वो जब ऑडिट के लिए जाती है तो सबसे पहले वो प्रिपरेशन करती है. प्रिपरेशन किस किस बिहाफ पे करती है? सो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द स्टडी. एक एजेंडा प्रिपेयर होता है, एक प्रोटोकॉल बनता है, एक फ्लो चार्ट बनता है कि किस तरीके से किस किस यूनिट में फर्स्टली जाके हमें ऑडिट करना है और किस पे फोकस करना है. अकॉर्डिंग टू ICH GCP लोकल रेगुलेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन SOP, all party understand the protocol procedure. Any concern raised by any party should be documented. Aware of the chronology of the event version of the document. Essential documents are very important. Just for example, sheet, informed consent, questionnaire, investigator brochure, and all of these things. So this is the complete session of the quality audit for the quality assurance subject for the B Farm 6th semester students. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve your problem by the problem resolving class. So thank you students and thank you for the listening.